Hi, my name is Wาโย. Today I'm gonna make mac and cheese. These are ingredients: pepper, paprika, macaroni pasta, cheddar cheese, and milk. First, you have to boil a milk. And then you put a macaroni pasta in. And then you stir it till the pasta well done. And then you put pepper and paprika in. And then stir it. You need to stir it till the milk dry. And don't let the macaroni pasta burn. And then you turn off the gas and you put cheese in. And you stir it till the cheese mix well. You have to let the cheese melt. And then you put it in the plate. The taste is so good.